Hi, Susan Sipe here, co-founder of XSpot Products, and we are at the CEDIA 2024 event. This year we're going to show you a lot of what we introduced last year, 20 new products, and we've added 6 more mainly in the commercial realm, but also we have a new square that is doing a great job of Lutron customers that want an alternate to their Palladium and Elise keypads. So we'll show you that here in a minute. I'm going to start off by giving you a quick demo of what XSpot has been doing now for almost 20 years. The process is that sheetrockers and insulators mess with us, and if they're not doing it, then electricians are. So with XSpot, you're going to bury all of your wire locations, come back and find it in less than a couple of minutes, accurate to 1/4 of an inch, and reuse it. This is an XSpot. It has a rare earth magnet in the front. You're going to snap it into the strap, secure it to the inside of your studs, or you're going to put it into a single gang ring. I mentioned we also have the new square ring. There's 6 other mounts for cameras going into external sighting, for going into steel studs, for even going into electrical boxes. So this all gets mounted, and then you come back and the sheetrocker has covered all of your wires, but you're going to use the locator tool. You can jump in. You're going to use the locator tool. First locator tool is to find it behind marble, an inch of wood, or 3/4 inch rock. And you noticed how that attracts to that. You flip it over. If it repels on one side and attracts on the other, then you have found an XSpot. You want to get accurate to 1/4 of an inch, so you're going to use your centering tool, and the centering tool pulls to the center of that XSpot. You're going to make a mark into each of the 4 holes, make an X with the 4 marks, and now you've got a drill point. So you're going to confidently drill straight in, make a 1-inch hole like you see here, or that's actually a little larger, but you can make as small as a 1-inch hole. Here we've got, when you've gone to trim it, oftentimes we've got the wire in one hand, maybe we've knotted it, and whoops, it slips back into the wall cavity. So here is our industry's first ever tail on a grommet. And now you've got a nice way of finishing the hole too. So we have 3 different grommets to show you. We have also reformulated all of our XPACKs. So we have the Josh XPACK, which now includes a single gang ring for their new touch panel. We have the security pack that's got external cameras as well as the security sensors. The rAVe pack we've had around since the beginning, but now we've added the bubbles. The bubbles we didn't hit yet. I'll talk to you about the wire management of the bubbles and also the trim ports. This was a trim port, but the bubbles, thank you. The bubble protects 8 inches of your slack wire. So this is the shades installed, and this is what we've had just exploding over the past year. People are even using the bubble to protect wire for their security wires. So you drill this would be your window header. You're going to drill straight in like you would normally for your wire, only you're going to do a wire or a hole that is 2 inches up and 1 inch wide, and shove this groove. This is one of our endpoints. Attach the wire, and then the sheetrocker is going to go ahead and cover this as they normally would. So that's where the sheetrock is. You've got a different sized locator tool to get into the corners there, but it has the notches around each of the 4 corners. So you're going to make your notches. This is reusable, just like the Alphas are. And that's the whole process for your shades. So the shades solution is eliminating hanging wires. It's eliminating customers calling you, asking you when you're going to be back out to finish up the shades, because the wire remains hidden and also secure. This bubble has eliminated your issue with spray foam, which nobody likes to try to chip away spray foam. I don't need to tell you guys that. So this is your problem solver for shades, and we have a Shades XPACK. Where are we, Shades XPACK? Where'd you hide?
Nope.
Shades XPACK.
Right here,
okay. So the Shades XPACK, like all of our XPACKs, comes with everything that you need. So you've got 20 of the grooves, your tool, the grommets, and your the bubbles. 20 of each. Thank you very much for your interest, and see us at xspotproducts.com.